Here we have a 2016 16-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak 3.2. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels. Now they're all wrapped in Autotrader off-road tyres. We have the Raptor style front grille, we also have that lower bash bar, we also have that big bonnet scoop. We have the gloss black wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle, really does make this car stand out from the rest. We have side steps on either side, roof bars just up there as well. Now the wide arch kit really does go against that orange exterior paintwork and makes this car stand out from the rest. You have your rear parking sensor with your rear reversing camera. You also have your max aero cover just there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major mark dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. If you go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. We have the half leather and half fabric seats throughout with the ISOFIX points pull down armrest and storage pan passenger driver's seat with electric windows on the doors. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's seat. Now the driver's seat is heated and electrically adjustable. Now the passenger is also heated. You have your electric windows, electric power forward and motion there with your auto lights, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. The vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 102,600 miles. You have a satellite navigation screen in the centre where you can also find your Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You have a dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seats and a heated front windscreen. So for those frosty mornings, click the heated windscreen on and within minutes it will then be defrosted. You have your traction control on and off, your downhill ascent assist, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high and also 4-wheel drive low. You've got your armrest just there as well, and there's a look at the passenger seat. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all different specifications that do come with this vehicle. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.